Honorable Speaker, Madam, with profound grief, I rise to inform this august House about the sad demise of late Suryanarayan Patra, sitting member and ex-speaker, late Trilochan Kanango, ex-member, late Ramesh Soren, ex-member, late Nimitita Pradhan, ex-member, late Kumar Behra, ex-member, late Devashish Biswal, ex-Lance Naik, 49, Rashtriya Rifle, late Sushant Kumar Khuntia, ex-constable, GD, 60 CRPF Battalion, and late Sushant Kumar Mahanti, ex-constable, Odisha Police. The late Suryanarayan Patra, sitting member and ex-speaker of this august House, was born on the 24th of December 1948 at New Barrack Street in Ganjam district. He was elected to the Odisha Legislative Assembly from Mohana Assembly constituency in 1990, 1995, 2000 and 2004, and from Digabandi Assembly constituency in 2009, 2014 and 2019. He was Minister, Forest, Fisheries and Animal Husbandry, Energy, Science and Technology, Environment, Tourism, Information Technology, Culture, Revenue and Disaster Management, Information and Public Relations, Cooperation and Food Supplies, and Consumer Welfare. He was the Speaker, Odisha Assembly, Legislative Assembly in 2009. The late Suryanarayan Patra, as Speaker of the Odisha Legislative Assembly, has taken several innovative measures for smooth management of the House. His initiative for adoption of the National E-Vidhan Sabha application in the OLA is appreciated by one and all. This has made the transaction of the House paperless. He has also immensely contributed to the development of the IT sector in the state as Minister IT. He expired on the 2nd of September 2023 at the age of 75. Late Trilochan Kanango, ex-member of this august House, was born on the 12th of September 1940 at Badamulai in Cuttack district. He was elected to the Odisha Legislative Assembly from Govindpur Assembly constituency in 1971 and 1985, and from Cuttack Southern Assembly constituency in 1974. He was elected to the Lok Sabha from Jagat Singhpur Parliamentary constituency in 1999. He expired on the 21st of April 2023 at the age of 83. Late Ramesh Soren, ex-member of this august House, was born on the 1st of February 1947 at Bali, Odia in Mayurbhanj district. He was elected to the Odisha Legislative Assembly from Khunta, Assembly constituency in 1974, 1977 and 1980. He expired on the 24th of July 2023 at the age of 77. The late Nivedita Pradhan, ex-member of this august House, was born on the 7th of July 1963 at Haripur in Cuttack district. She was elected to the Odisha Legislative Assembly from Cuttack Southern Assembly constituency in 2000. She was the mayor of Cuttack Municipal Corporation in 2003. She expired on the 10th of August 2023 at the age of 61. Late Kumar Behra, ex-member of this august House, was born on the 22nd of August 1943 at Hirlipali in Bargarh district. He was elected to the Odisha Legislative Assembly from Bhatli Assembly constituency in 1990. He expired on the 11th of August 2023 at the age of 80. Late Devashish Biswal, ex-Lance Naik, 49 Rashtra Rifle, was born in Khandya Tasai in Puri district. He laid down his life on the 20th of April 2023 while on duty. Late Sushant Kumar Khuntia, ex-constable GD 60 CRPF Battalion, was born in Anandapur in Keonjhar district. He laid down his life on the 11th of August 2023 in a Maoist attack while on duty. Late Sushant Kumar Mahanti, ex-constable Odisha Police, was born at Paikharabadi in Jagatsinghpur district. He laid down his life on the 17th of January 2023 while on duty. Madam, the sad demise of ex-members of this august House and the martyrs is an irreparable loss to the state and to the members of their families. I therefore request you, Madam, to kindly convey our sincere condolences to the members of the bereaved families. Thank you, Honorable Speaker, Madam.